Hi there.
Hi.
Hi. Great.
So what we're doing today is we're
here
trying
to answer some questions.
We all work in different teams in Jakarta, and we would love to answer some questions about the company.
Should I do it?
Go for it.
Because I like doing this.
What's your favorite thing about planning a trip?
I love chatting to everyone that inquires with us. Everyone comes from such different walks of life, really inspirational people, and it's really nice to just feel relaxed, chat on the phone about, you know, their dog, and then eventually get to Africa. So,
You know, I love when we have clients going to places like Puglia, Matera, Amalfi Coast, Sicily, and you know, they get to experience, you know, the local.
Are you selling Europe here?
Do I look like I'm selling? I'm not selling, but yeah.
When someone gets back and they're giving you feedback about the trip, and yeah, like Susann said, 99% of the time you're in agreement. But when you've like really sold them something or said, this is amazing, it's one of my favourite parts, and then they come back and they tell you that was one of their favourite parts too. It's just like makes you feel great, and you know that you've connected, and it's great to know that they had a fantastic time, and you got it right, I suppose.
Okay. Ooh, so what's special about Jakarta?
it's all about the fact that all of us have either lived, worked or travelled extensively throughout the areas that we specialise in. We know all the ins and outs of how everything works, and we can recommend the sort of off the beaten path version of the tourist version.
I think we make sure we also get people connected to not only the places but the people. We make sure we really get to know our clients beforehand and understand what it is that they want to get out of the place. And yeah, their guide is not just their guide, but a newfound friend in a foreign country. So,
in your opinion, what makes a trip truly amazing?
There's no material wealth really that can replace an experience. No present under a Christmas tree will you remember in 10 years' time, but when you go and travel together, you will, that's a lasting memory.
If you can match the people who are travelling or your clients to the right type of experiences and really tap into what's special to them and what means a lot to them, then that really makes a trip amazing.
What makes it special is having those people that have experienced it and us hand selecting the guides based on our clients' personalities, interests, and just showing them that the countries have so much more to offer.
So, one more question?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. You just want more.
I want more.
I always want more.
Where's more?